Tree, meaning a tall plant with a trunk and leaves. Example, the tree gives us shade. Flower, meaning the colorful part of a plant. Example, she picked a small flower. River, meaning a large natural flow of water. Example, we walked along the river. Mountain, meaning a very high natural place on earth. Example, they climbed the mountain. Forest, meaning a large area covered with trees. Example, the forest is full of birds. You did amazing today. Remember, repetition is the mother of learning. See you in the next lesson.